Introducing Leader's NDI Checker. Maintaining complete visibility across your entire NDI network with Leader's live monitoring solution optimized for broadcast and Pro AV environments. NDI Checker event log display with monitoring of up to 100,000 events. Comprehensive event logging with support for export logs to CSV provide unmatched diagnostic capabilities for complex NDI environments. With capacity for up to 100,000 events, the system maintains a detailed history of signal changes, errors, warnings, and network events. This extensive logging capability allows engineers to track intermittent issues over time, identify patterns in system behavior, and proactively address potential failures before they impact production. So, if you want to see what NDI Checker can do for your workflows and whether it's the right fit, download the trial version of the NDI Checker software and try it for yourself using the QR code displayed on the screen.